Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error with the error code 0x800704c7 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So, right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting for problems and solve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Okay. So we have a script here and I have shared the script in the description section of this video. Copy this script in entirety. I mean, click anywhere and press Ctrl plus A, then Ctrl plus C and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste this here. This will solve the problem. But what does this script do? This script stops all services associated with Windows Update. It deletes the profile. It deletes the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It re-registers the DLLs and then finally it resets WinSock and then it restarts all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.